So symptoms that patients have with papilledema, which is the most common sign, is going to be a headache, and that headache is usually worse in the morning. People can have nausea and vomiting, transient visual disturbances. Some patients have a swooshing sound in their head, tinnitus or ringing of the ears, diplopia or double vision, and then a blind spot in the vision with enlargement. Signs, you can have normal or decreased visual acuity when you're doing a visual acuity test. Some people have decreased color vision seen with color vision testing. When we look at the back of the optic disc, you can have blurred disc margins. You can also have optic nerve hyperemia, or we have more sort of redness and dilation of your optic nerve. Some people have disc hemorrhage, which we look for as cotton wool spots, and then patent lines that we can see when we're looking at the back of the retina. And with the blind spot enlargement, we can see atrophy or pallor there.